Hey, welcome to Helium 10 listing builder tutorial for Amazon posts. Basically, there's a nice feature within Helium 10 listing builder that allows you to create Amazon posts very fast with the help of AI. So in this video, we're going to show you how to do it quickly with me, Carrie Miller, Amazon seller, and she is also with Helium 10, and she's going to help us with this tutorial today. In the description, there's a free trial, an account of Helium 10, and some really nice discounts, along with a playlist of Helium 10 tutorials, over 150 tutorials. So Carrie, welcome.
Thank you. I'm so excited this is one of our newest features. Basically in our listing builder, you can get assistance with AI to help you write it. And so one of our newest additions to the listing builder is, like you said, our Amazon post section. So a lot of times it's hard to think of what should I post or what should the caption be? And this is going to help you to kind of get some ideas on what to post and then also what to caption. So all you have to do is go down to the bottom section where it says Amazon posts and hit write it for me. And what it's going to do is it's going to give you some suggestions on some different captions and things. What I like about it is it's just going to give you an idea. It's maybe they'll talk about, bathroom decor, or for ours it's a coffin shelf. So maybe it's like, bathroom decor. So then I have a picture of it in a bathroom. So I can use that caption with the photo I already have. Or you can just get a bunch of different ideas of what to post while doing this. Because I know even just for our own social media, it's like, what do I even caption this with? I don't know how to caption this, or I don't know what to post. So this is going to help you with getting those ideas. It's just going to take a second here and load. It's my internet that's a little...
That's right. Basically, for those maybe that are not aware, Amazon Posts is like a feature for registered brands on Amazon that allows you to do these little posts similar to, let's say, Facebook posts, and then they appear on Amazon, on listings of competitors or on your own listings as well. And yeah, sometimes it's just, you're like, well, what do I do here? Like, what do I write? So yeah, for example, now we have some results, right?
Yeah, so we have with Manny's Mysterious Brown Coffin Shelf, you can have spooky decor all year, not just for Halloween, perfect for all your odd and creepy knickknacks. So you can show, how, somebody's maybe displaying their like crystal collection or whatever it is that they put in there. A lot of people put just different knickknacks in their coffin shelves. So you can take maybe even customer photos, you can repurpose those and put those up with this caption. It gives you those ideas. And so you can come up with a bunch of these ideas. Something that's really important about doing these posts is that the more you post, the more followers you're going to have. And so once you have, your followers going, you can actually retarget them with ads or like a coupon in brand tailored promotions. So you can say, hey, anyone who's following me, I'm going to give them 10% off of my product. And I've actually seen some success on that with my brand tailored promotions on Amazon. So this is a great way to keep that. It's, it's hard to come up with the ideas, and this just makes it automated for you. You can easily just put up these photos and these captions, and they're optimized. So we use actual keywords from the keywords that you put in the listing to help to optimize them. So if you want to use the suggestion, you can just hit use suggestion and it'll show the suggestion. And then if you wanted to rewrite them, you could just hit rewrite, and you can just keep getting more and more suggestions all the time.
As you mentioned, we need first to create the listing, right? So we need to, let's say, with the help of Helium 10 Cerebro, Magnet, find the keywords, then write the listing, either with the AI assistant or maybe some copywriter does it for you. Or if you do that on your own as a copywriter, you write the listing. And then once the listing is written, we go into the section of Amazon posts within Helium 10 listing builder, and then we click on generate, and then it's possible. So first we have to build the listing, right?
Yeah, you have to build a listing. You want to put your keywords. I don't have any keywords in here on this one. This is just kind of for show here. But, if you added keywords in here, like coffin shelf, it's you can create the bank. It'll basically optimize with any of the keywords that you have. So see, as you can see, it highlights in the Amazon posts what keywords it's using. And so it's optimizing it with keywords so that people can see these, and they're going to show up more for those keywords the more that you add those really important kind of targeted keywords into your Amazon posts.
Pretty cool. So in the description, I'm going to have free trial, free account of Helium 10 with the best discounts. Helium 10 tutorials playlist, many tutorials, somewhat similar to this one, where sometimes myself, sometimes Carrie, also Bradley Sutton from Helium 10 was a guest, and Adriana from Helium 10 Spanish speaking podcast. We created a lot of videos. So there's this playlist tutorial. I think it's going to be useful. Yeah, Carrie, thank you for being a guest today, and hopefully the audience will find it useful. Pretty cool feature. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.